Next attribute to check whether we have quality data or not is to check consistency of a data. Now what does consistency mean? So consistency means that do the field or attribute or variable, you can say anything. So do the fields agree with each other? So that is what we are going to tell us about consistency. Let us take an example about the consistency. Let us say that we have a data and this is in the row and column format. You can say this is the row and this is the column format. And here I have an attribute. Let us say the children. Here is a child name, maybe the name of a child, and here its age, what is the child's age, and their problems. Maybe their problems with life. So can you see here, child has the problems. So let us say that I have a child, his age is 4 and he has a problems related to, let's say, his salary. So does it make sense? Child with the age of 4 has a problem that is related to his salary problem, maybe his marital status problem. So does it make sense, this data? No, because this data does not agree with each other. They are not consistent with each other. We can also have a medical data of children. Let's say a child is there with a name B, his age is 2, and he has complained, he has made a complaint, let's say that he has a problem of smoking. No offense, but see here, he has a problem with the children of age 2, he has a problem with smoking. Let's say he smokes too much. Does it make sense? No. So this data does not agree with each other. So this is what inconsistent data means. So this is the extreme example that I have taken just to make you clear, but in our real world, we might see some of the data that won't be relevant, that won't be consistent. For example, let us say I am going to predict, that is whether a customer will buy our product or not. So we have e-commerce website. Let's say we have this e-commerce website and I'm going to predict whether a customer will buy our product or not. Let us say the customer is our website visitor. Now let us say I have the data that is the name of a person, and let us say his marital status. Marital status may be important feature, but let us stick with only the name. So name of a person. We have a name of a person, and using only the name of a person, I am going to predict whether he will buy the product or not. Does it make sense? Using only the name. So can name be enough to predict whether he will buy something or not? No. So name does not make any difference whether he will buy something or not. Some attributes like what is his purchase history, how much income does he have, these type of attributes might be important rather than the name of a person. So we need to find those fields that agree with each other. That is what consistency means.